Welcome back to Coin Sense and Nonsense. We're styling with our new logo from Mainahune Stacker. And today, we got another mail opening. I thought it was going to be Machi-Woo, but it's not. So let's see what we got. Alright, there's the magic of editing. There's still paperwork here. Let's take that out of the way just so we don't have a schmaccident. And then what we got? Ooh, we got a Marlin. And this is the 2017 to go with my 2018. So now I got both Marlins. Because I love the fishes. And hello! There she is. What is this one? This one is... Oh, are these my Riflebirds? Yes, they are. Victoria's Riflebird. Cool. Let's check them out. I think I got a couple. What is this? Oh, yes. This is the second one of these. I didn't show you guys the first one yet, but there's Davy. I got the Bugs Bunny one too. This is the second in the series, so we'll do something on that. And then, bloop, more Riflebirds. And yet another Riflebird. So I can't really see it well. We'll check them out. Alright, here we are out of the package. And there she is. And, Riflebird. And that's the Australian bird of paradise. I always thought bird of paradise was a plant, but that's another story. So, this is nice. I got a couple, and that's enough. And we'll see. There's just so many coins. Can't keep up with them all. So, cool. Happy to have it. Alright, so there's 50,000 projected, minted. No more than 50,000 anyway. So, it's cool, but I think it's enough with the Australian coins here. I've had enough. I'm worn out. So, there it is. Another needy bird with its mouth open. Until next time, Coin Sense and Nonsense. Bye-bye.